Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce and the Jamaica International Arbitration Center today signed an agreement for alternative dispute resolution. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the signing paves the way for legal professionals to take advantage of the global dispute resolution business. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
Businesses at war and looking for a platform to settle their differences, but going to court can be costly. The alternative, mediation or arbitration. The United Kingdom has found a way to rake in £16 billion annually by simply offering that service, and now Jamaica wants in.
Our hope really is that this signing will position Jamaica as a center for arbitration and mediation, because we want more people across the world to do business here, and not only local domestic business, but international business to see Jamaica as a place to invest.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the money won't stay in the courts alone, pointing to other industries like tourism, which also stand to benefit significantly.
If Jamaica becomes an arbitration center, it is a major money earner for businesses, for the tourist sector, and for attorneys.
He's hoping that Jamaica will become a hub for corporate dispute resolution, attracting companies from all over the world.
The Ministry of Justice will be focusing on alternative dispute resolution to settle matters right across every nook and cranny of Jamaica, and also in the courts, but also to position Jamaica as a dispute resolution center for the Western Hemisphere, and I dare say for the world.
Jamaica passed the arbitration bill in 2017. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going up tomorrow. 7 cents will be added to the price of 87 and 90 gasoline. Automotive diesel will cost 14 cents more and ultra-low sulfur diesel 51 cents. The price of kerosene will increase by 36 cents. $1.03 will be cut from propane, while butane will increase by 29 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.76, the Canadian dollar $101.04. The pound sterling costs $177.04, while the euro is going for $150.09. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 366 points today, while the junior market index declined by 37 points. Among the winners, Sagicor Select Funds, Knutsford Express, Carib Cement, Jamaica Producers, as well as stationery and office supplies. On the losing side, we had Paramount Trading, Lumber Depot, SSL Venture Capital, Iron Rock Insurance, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.